It's your fangirl Tally, and it's time for another Editor Hubby request. He's taking us back to Miracle of Sound, Game of Thrones, this time Cersei and Jaime's song, Only Us, featuring Karliene again. Let's do this. Last time her voice was so beautiful. Crazy is I've been in fandoms
of shame have faded, and I remain revived. Let vengeance roar for blood and war behind a scornful smile.
This is the same woman. Is this the same? Her voice sounds entirely different. She... Her voice sounded so pure and sweet in the Arya one, and in this one it's almost... bewitching.
Let the sin we swim in drown us. Let the world shatter into dust. Nothing else matters, only us.
Again, I'm just shook. Why? I just feel so messed up by their music. You know someone has incredibly powerful talent when their work can reach you so quickly. And I know the story, and I know cover to cover. I watched it, I've read it, I was in the fandom, whole 9 yards. And still, that 4.5 minutes kicked my butt. It was a gut punch. Beautiful, beautiful work of art. What about you guys? What'd you think? Comment below. Let me know. I love to hear from you guys. Please remember to like this video. If you're not already a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button down below. As always, hit that notification bell with your notifications turned on so that you know every time we drop a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.